Now, let us say that you have a parametric function. X is a function in terms of t, y is another function in terms of t. X is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t. So, if you want the first order derivative, we have already seen how to find it. So, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, right? Because x is in terms of t, y is also in terms of t. So, dy by dt by dx by dt gives you dy by dx. Now, if you observe carefully, this dy by dx will be in terms of the parameter t. So, this dy by dx will not be in terms of x, because y and x are in terms of t and you are differentiating with respect to t. So, this will be in terms of parameter t, right? So, dy by dx will be in terms of parameter t. Now, if you want d square y by dx square, by definition, d square y by dx square is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx. So, if dy by dx is in terms of x, you would have been able to directly differentiate it with respect to x. But in parametric functions, dy by dx will be in terms of parameter t. So, what we do for this simplification is, so d of dy by dx, so I separate this dx and I divide and multiply with dt. So, that is equal to, so d of dy by x, d of dy by dx by dt, that is differentiation of dy by dx with respect to the parameter again, divided by dx by dt. So, if I bring dt by dx onto the denominator, it becomes dx by dt. So, what you need to do is, whatever dy by dx you get here, in terms of t, you need to differentiate it with respect to t. But whatever you get, you have to further divide it with dx by dt again to get d square y by dx square. The same thing happens for d cube y by dx cube. So, d cube y by dx cube is nothing but d by dx of d square y by dx square. Now, as you can see, d square y by dx square, this will also be in terms of t. So, you cannot directly differentiate with respect to x. So, what I do is, I'll divide both numerator and denominator by dt. So, that means again, whatever d square y by dx square you get, you have to differentiate with respect to t, but you have to divide it with dx by dt again. So, at each step, you have to divide the differentiation with respect to t by dx by dt. So, that's how you continue for higher order derivatives in a parametric function. So, let us try to practice this concept with parametric functions.